what we got. We got is a Ninja Sizzle Smokeless Indoor Griddle. And you can use it outdoors too. It's electric only. Oh, we're going to see if this is better than a Blackstone. And you won't have to haul around that heavy propane. Ooh-wee. So let's check this baby out. We got this on Black Friday on Amazon Prime. Ooh, detachable lid is dishwasher safe. Well, you know who the dishwasher is in this house? Me. Me. Ooh, we got some book. We got instructions. Woohoo! We'll have to read those, really, we would. Ooh. Ooh, we got one griddle plate. It's supposed to have switchable griddle plates.
Tucker can have that.
Oh, Tucker gets a box. Tucker gets a box. Ooh, wee. That seems heavy, doesn't it? Ooh.
Yeah,
And it's supposed to be so easy to clean. Woohoo! Jim's gonna put it together. Let's see if we can have better luck with this than we did that canopy. Ooh! Ooh-wee! This woman went shopping on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. If the Blackstone grill is very heavy that we haul around, we're trying to lessen our weight. Something we can use indoors or out. And this Ninja was almost half off on Black Friday on Amazon. So, we thought about the Blackstone E-Series electric one, but this was way cheaper. And it's a Ninja, so you can't go wrong. Ooh. Ooh. There's one of the plates, I think. Ooh.
here's one.
Oh, okay. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, and look at all that controls up there. Ooh. So we can't wait to try this baby out.
You got that one?
Ooh, we got that plate. That's like where you do steaks and get those little sear marks. Ooh, that'd be great for pancakes, scrambled eggs, and all that. Woohoo! Now, I did hear some people said that they had some splatters through there. So what they did was took parchment paper and put it up here, and it kept it from splattering on their counter. So we'll try that out. We'll try it. Alright, everybody, stay tuned. Later on, we'll tell you if it's good as a Blackstone or the Blackstone is better. Bye-bye. Don't worry, everyone. We'll read the instructions. Ooh, doo-doo. Oh, recipes. Ooh, this book came with recipes. More instructions. They want to make sure we know how to put this thing together. Not afraid. But doesn't that burger look good? Corey Hackett from NORTHWOODS RV Life gave me a recipe book. I want to try some of his recipes on this. If you don't know, Corey Hackett wrote and he's got a book on Amazon available. It's all of his recipes. Ooh, grilled pineapple cake. I know, Tucker. You want us to cook you something, huh? Or do you want us to cook you something on there? Oh, don't worry. We will. There's Corey's cookbook. Blackstone RV Camping Food. 100 easy, mouth-watering recipes to entice the taste and buds and bring good food to the campsite. I'll find that link and leave it in the description so you can order you one. Corey's an amazing guy. So, Corey, I'm going to try out some of your recipes here. Woohoo!